Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA on Facebook. To enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on Facebook, so open Facebook and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then from here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Then from the options, select Settings. Then at the top under your account, select Account Center. Next, select Password and Security. Now from here, look for two-factor authentication. Then click on that. Next, choose a Facebook account you want to protect. So once you click that, next is to select a security method. So choose how to confirm it's you. You can use SMS or WhatsApp and they'll send you a code, or you can select security keys. So you can use a USB, Bluetooth, or NFC security key such as UB key. So let's say we're going to select SMS or WhatsApp. Then click on next. So follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. So here you can add your phone number. So this phone number will be enabled for two-factor authentication and login. So they will also use the number added here to help protect Facebook's community, accurately count people who use Facebook services and assist them in accessing Facebook in opt-in programs, but not for purposes such as suggesting friends or providing ads. So only you will see this number on your profile. So once you added your number, click on next. So enter the confirmation code sent to your number, then click on next. So re-enter your password, click continue. So two-factor authentication is now turned on. So save any recovery codes Facebook provides in a safe place. So Facebook will send a code to this or to your phone number to confirm it's you when logging in from an unrecognized device. So to change your number, go to personal details in account center. So click on done, and that's basically it. So that's how you can enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Thank you for watching.